General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's get this work. All right, Monday, 8/4/25. See what news we got for tomorrow. Okay, PMI. We need the screen grabber. It's 10 o'clock. Late trading day tomorrow. $10 a.m. red folder. PMI. Thinking unemployment is going to be a big deal. Going forward. So Thursday should be a big day as well. Let's look at the CME Fed Watch. %92. Okay. So it's crazy, but this is the tariffs. That's what that is. We just kicked the tariffs back off. Well, good. Now they have to cut rates. All right. Is most likely driven by tariffs like it was last time. It's not NFP. No, NFP's. We didn't get no more job data. Okay, earnings for tomorrow. I know it is. Some good earnings this week. AMD. AMD after market close. Could be sentiment for Nvidia and sector in general. Semiconductors is a major sector now. Like you can't even really deny it. And dollar is not dropping. Okay. So this is important. Looks like dollar is this is balanced now. Both sides of this has been hit. Okay. Daily fair value gap maybe. The time is not right yet. We might get Tuesday high of the week since unemployment. Since PMI is tomorrow. Hold on. And we have the daily fair value gap to trade into before looking for lower prices. Today was just a one-sided day. Looked like we finally hit Friday's high. I wanted a retracement. It didn't give it to me though. I wanted a retracement and then higher. It's just one-sided. Did we take Friday's low? I don't even think we took Friday's low. No. This must be what they mean when they say V-shaped recovery. Well, this thing did not give any retracements. weekly order block disrespected. This thing is mooning. No, nothing. This thing is mooning. No. Weekly order block being disrespected. This thing, like Drake, this thing is about to moon. Okay, yeah, we don't need this. I mean, we can reuse this for higher prices. Yeah, we can. Let me try to alert this. Bounce here. Put alert here for just daily fair value gap. I want to see if we start selling off from it. If we start selling off from it in London, it'll be interesting for me. Go back to here. We can reuse the weekly order block to buy from. Very, very strong price action. It seems like it's ready to create a new range higher. That's a fast move. Where is it trying to go? I bet the greed push back up too. This is no longer a thing. Friday's high. I can do that on the other. H4 fair value gap here, old daily high here, level here, regular trading hour gap here. Take that off. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Trace here. It's a good weekly objective. It's a good trade, especially if we do like some basic stuff like OTE, then up. I'm here for it. $23,700 is a good target just for this week with this news. 23,700. It's a good target. Let's go to H1. This is Friday? Yeah. Friday. Okay, so this is gonna be important. How we act here. I want to see this level. I want to see us break through it, retrace, get some internal range liquidity, and then go higher. This is low hanging fruit, but this is my target. Let's see this delivery. Yeah, I could expect retracements after we take this high. I'll target here for low hanging fruit. For the fair value gap. Let me make this blue. Because after here, fair value gap, I expect some type of retracement. Maybe not all the way up here. This is a H4 fair value gap. We got to respect that. Okay, low hanging fruit objective is 23,465.25 percent at weekly bullish order block to see if we reclaim that level. Okay, let's do this. And coffee's the perfect temperature now. Let me go look at this EU. Um, 8,425. Because I've been tracking this EU. It's on a different layout. Where's the basics? I was looking at that silver too. Yeah, this stopped me out. Okay. And then I did it's in the Telegram. So if you're not in the Telegram is in the YouTube description. So it ain't like I'm charging or nothing. It's just my journal. What I'll be doing here, I'll put it in there. But so this got stopped out. Still bullish. This trade, I set buy stops at the highs in case I miss it overnight. I'm thinking lower since Dixie is retracing. So here, let me actually put that in here. Let's go here. On the daily. I like this layout too. It's just liquidity tools and fair value gaps. The basics, inspired by Joe Miller. Let's go here, Dixie. No, we have PMI, so we can wait. The buy stops in place just in case we miss it. trading NASDAQ. This is a swing. Okay. Let's look at just the EU just for confluence and see what we're reaching for. Okay. We got a surviving imbalance. This is just looking like kind of like how we kind of looking on EU. This got stopped. We might come retest this BPR. We don't have to, but it should hold. Let me actually set an alert on that too. That layout clean. I might end up just using that layout and not even charting no more. Just boom. This is it. All right. I like putting lines on charts. Daily BPR makes sense here. Alert. We'll set an alert to stock low of the week. All right. Now we wait. That's it. All right. Now that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace and blessings.